Hi friends, it's Martha. Are you like Mike Wazowski here and need help finding a place to store your belongings while you're at Disneyland? Then I have the video for you. Today we're going to show you how to rent a locker, where the lockers are located at Disneyland and Disney California Adventure. It's super easy and the best way to store your stuff while you're at the park. So let's get started and get that load off of your back. Now if you just want to see how to rent a locker at the very kiosk, then hop on down to the 2-minute, 17-second mark and we'll get you through it right there. Now there are 5 different locker locations and 3 different locker sizes. Inside the parks, lockers are available for $7 and $10 per day. Outside the parks in the Esplanade, lockers are available for $7, $10, and $15 per day. Lockers provide unlimited access throughout the day. Our first stop is the picnic area that's right at the end of the tram drop-off. This location has large and extra large lockers. It's the best place to store small luggage, maybe even medium luggage, an ice chest, or even that lightsaber and long lightsaber blade you just bought in the park. This is also my favorite locker location because it's the first locker area when you get off the tram and the last locker area when you leave at night, making it very convenient if you are someone who takes the tram in and out of the parks. Our next stop are the lockers located outside of the picnic area. This is to the left of the Disneyland entrance gates and between the Lost and Found and the restrooms. Lockers here are medium and large sizes. Now we're going to head into Disneyland Park. Once in the park, head down Main Street. About halfway down is Market House, also known as Starbucks. Make a right turn and head to the back of the outdoor seating area there. The locker room is in the back on the right. This area has medium and large lockers. Now we're going to show you how to rent a locker using the kiosk. There are several kiosk locations inside this locker area. The kiosk in front can get really busy, but just move on to the back kiosks or even the ones in the aisles. They are hardly ever busy and fast to get your locker rented. To rent a locker, follow these easy steps. Choose your preferred language, select the locker size that best fits your needs, pay with your credit card or debit card. After payment, you must create a 4-digit PIN. Once you have the PIN code, you'll receive a locker number. Keep that information safe. Now let's head right back out to the Esplanade. Now if you're coming in from Harbor Boulevard, these lockers are located after the security station but before you get to the ticket booths, and they're right on the left, right next to the restrooms. It's a very small little area, but there's plenty of locker space for all your needs. This is also the most convenient locker area if you're coming from Harbor Boulevard. Entrance, leaving, and going, it's the best option for you. Now let's head into Disney California Adventure Park. You can find the lockers on the right side of Buena Vista Street behind the red car trolley between the restrooms and Mortimer's Market. This location has medium and large lockers. So that's it. That's all 5 locker locations. There's some important things you need to remember. Remember, the lockers are only accessible during operating hours. You cannot leave items to be stored overnight. If you store them overnight, contact Lost and Found the following day. The Disneyland lockers allow you to experience more of the park's magic, maximize your fun, and minimize your stress without dealing with a load of belongings either in a stroller or on your back. It really is the best way to go. Now please like and subscribe, and remember to leave a comment about your locker experience and let us know what you'd like us to make a video on next. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you at Disneyland Park soon. Okay, bye!